Hi friends, it's Nirmal back again with a new video. Today's video is very special to me because our channel has passed 1,000 subscribers and it's all thanks to you viewers. I'm so thankful for all my followers and subscribers. So in today's video we'll be looking at my carnivorous plants terrarium that I grow inside my living room. It's been going on for the past 1 year, so this is a year update. So hope you guys enjoy the video. So friends, today's video is graced by this common barren butterflies caterpillar, which is commonly found on mango trees, etc. They are masters of camouflage, where they align perfectly with the midrib of the leaf, thereby literally blending into the green of the leaf. It's a good strategy to escape from predators. Friends, don't forget to check out my other social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook page. You can find all the links related to that in the description below. So show some love there as well. So friends, today's video is based on my terrarium that has been running for 1 year. Most of my long-term subscribers might have followed its journey. I have posted 2-3 videos regarding the same in the past, showing you 2 months and 8 months updates. So now my terrarium has crossed 1 year and you guys can see the progress here. I'll be leaving links to the previous updates and also other terrarium videos I have done in the notification bar as well as the description. So please check it out if you have not seen the initial stages of this terrarium. It's been such a rewarding experience to witness the progression of this system for the past 1 year. We'll see some clips that I took along the way to show you the progress from last November. So guys, now you got an idea of how things started, and now look at the system. It's totally taken over by nature itself. Every inch and corner of the system has so many sorts of life growing, like moss, mold, fungi. I have no idea. Everything is going on. See, the moss that I planted on the surface now started growing onto the glass itself. It's totally self-sufficient and very little maintenance goes into keeping this up. I only clean it once a month. I water it also just once a month or even lesser than that. My biggest concern was whether the Sarracenia sapling will last for a long time, but fortunately even after 1 year it's still growing. It's not producing mature pictures, but it's still maintaining a cute form and a juvenile form, which is also very cool for the overall scale of the system. Another major concern was whether the Nepenthes or the Asian pitcher plant in the background will outgrow the system. That also fortunately worked out in my favor. It's kind of maintaining a dwarf form and producing lots of healthy pitchers. The best part is the Rhaphidophora vine that I installed. It's going crazy inside, and actually I think it's controlling most of the nitrogen built up in the medium and keeping the carnivorous plants also healthy. This is the leaf of a kangaroo fern, which I installed by collecting it locally from one of the trees here. That also has been growing crazy. Now it started dropping its leaves, also giving a good seasonal change. Friends, I hope you remember the small Ampullaria pitcher plant that I installed on the corner. That is also doing great. It's producing pictures. I'm overall very happy with the setup. I want to know how long it will go without much care. I'm still waiting to trim down most of the plants because I just want to know till where I can take this. I'll surely keep you guys posted on future developments. So friends, I hope you guys enjoy my content. I'm always reminding you guys to subscribe if you're new here. Also press the bell notification button if you need to get updates about my new videos. Friends, also say goodbye to Mr. Caterpillar here. He was also a very awesome find from our yard that I was so eager to show you guys. So friends, that's all for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed my carnivorous plants terrarium. I think I'll be renaming it as a jungle terrarium soon because it's really overloading with green these days. So until next time, Nirmal signing off.